Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of valuing FormFactor stock so we can determine if it's a buy or a sell. FormFactor is a provider of essential test and measurement tools for the life cycle of an integrated circuit. The company deals with modeling, reliability, designing, qualification, and product testing. They are a leading supplier of advanced wafer probe cards and engineering probe systems. The company is headquartered in Livermore, California, and was founded in 1993. Let's get started with the model. This is a mid-cap company, 2.2 billion market cap. They're trading at $28 a share, and they have 77 million shares outstanding. Let's look at their financials. The way you value a company is you estimate the free cash flows into the future, and then you discount those numbers back to today's value. That's what we're doing in this video. And free cash flow is cash flow from operations minus capital expenditures. They do have positive free cash flow each year. It is dropping off a bit. It was highest in 2020 at 113 million. It's come down a bit to 67 million in 2022. Net income is the profit or loss on the income statement. It's revenue minus expenses. And that's fairly steady, peaking in 2021 at 84 million, dropping in 2022 to 51 million. Revenue is a sales for the company, and that grew from 589 million in 2019 to 770 million in 2021. It did drop off a bit in 2022 to 748 million. Let's look at their capital structure. 800 million of equity, 50 million of debt. They're 94% equity, 6% debt. And they could pay off all the debt with the cash on their balance sheet and still have 188 million of cash left over. I used a WACC of 12.8%, and that's the discount rate we're going to apply to the future cash flows. We estimated 4 years of future free cash flows. We also estimated a terminal value, which is all cash flows past year 4, that's 1.5 billion. We discounted those numbers back to today using the weighted average cost of capital, and we get a value of the company of $1.3 billion. We divide that by 77 million shares. And we get a calculated stock price of $17. They're trading at $28, so they're trading at a 62% premium. It's a sell according to the model. The website Simply Wall Street values the company at $22. They're saying they're 25% overvalued. 6 analysts priced this stock, and the average price target is 33, the lowest 30, the highest 36. Another 9 analysts priced this stock, and their average price target is 35, so they're saying the stock is 25% undervalued. This is where the stock has been trading since it IPO'd. It looks like it IPO'd in 2003. And then after about 4 years, it peaked at about $47, $48. And then it really crashed in 2012. It came down to about $5. It looks like it got down to about $2 maybe in 2013. Its highest price was a little over $50 at the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. But I think that was a pretty inflated price. It did drop down to below 20, then came up to a little over 30. Now it's sitting around 30. So this stock has been all over the place. If you did buy at IPO, you would be up right now. This would literally be a roller coaster ride, these ups and downs. There are 62 companies in the same industry as FormFactor, and if FormFactor has a number in red, they're worse than the median. If they have a number in blue, they're better than the median. They don't spend much in CapEx, 65 million. A little more than the median. They have a really good debt to equity ratio. They do not pay a dividend. They only generate 67 million of free cash flow, lower than the median, a lot lower than the average. They rank 36th in market cap at 2.2 billion. The median is 3.9 billion. They have a really good price to book. Their PE and price to free cash flows are pretty weak. They do have a good price to sales ratio. They generate 748 million of revenue, which is lower than the median, a lot lower than the average. Their 5-year annual revenue growth rate is only 6%, and they have a 5% ROA and 6% ROE. To summarize, I have them trading at a 62% premium. I rank their free cash flows 4 to 10, their revenue 7 out of 10, and their ratios 4 to 10. So let me know what you think. Give this video a like, subscribe, or comment below. Also, if you'd like to get a custom valuation or just support the channel, you can become a member by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.